Welcome back to AI Lessons in Under 5 Minutes. Today, we're going to talk about how you can use AI to understand your customers better. Whether you want to track purchase patterns, analyze customer feedback, or improve customer retention, AI can make this process easy, actionable, and insightful. Let's jump right to it. The first step in understanding customer behavior is identifying which insights will make the biggest impact on your business. Let's ask ChatGPT a prompt like, what are the key metrics to track for understanding customer behavior in my small business? ChatGPT provides a list of useful metrics like purchase patterns, customer retention rates, and customer feedback sentiment. Each of these can help you better understand what your customers value and where there's room for improvement. Next, it's time to segment your customers. AI-powered CRM tools like Zoho CRM can help you organize customers into groups based on their behaviors. For example, you might create segments like frequent buyers, high spenders, or new customers. These segments allow you to tailor marketing messages and promotions to specific groups so you can connect with customers in a more personalized way. Next, let's see how AI can analyze customer feedback. Sentiment analysis tools, which can be accessed through platforms like MonkeyLearn or even ChatGPT, can scan through your reviews and categorize feedback as positive, negative, or neutral. With sentiment analysis, you can see trends in customer satisfaction, spot common complaints, and find out what customers appreciate most. For example, if you see frequent praise for quick service, that's a strength you can highlight in marketing. Now that you have insights, it's time to act on them. Here's how you can use this data to make decisions that boost customer satisfaction and drive growth. Optimize inventory. Use purchase patterns to stock up on high demand products, especially during peak season. Personalized marketing. With customer segments, you can send targeted offers. For instance, a discount to loyal customers or a welcome package for new customers. Or improve customer service. If sentiment analysis shows reoccurring issues like long wait times or low product availability, you can prioritize addressing these pain points. And there you have it. By using AI to understand customer behavior, you can make smarter, data-driven decisions that create stronger customer relationships. If you'd like more guidance on implementing AI in your business, schedule a free 15-minute consultation with us at investinyourself101.com. Let's see how AI can help you grow. Follow us for more AI tips and lessons designed to grow your business.